Okay, we're filming. I'm just going to like stand in position. Okay, so Happy New Year. I don't know what date this is going to go up, but it's Saturday 29th of December today, and I've just come up to make some soap because I don't really have any left. So I'm going to do 4 batches, and first batch is going to be Bluebell, and I'm going to use Bluebell fragrance from Candle Shack, and I don't know if it accelerates. I'm guessing it probably will because it's floral, we'll see. And I'm going to just use like a blue, I'm not sure which one yet. I might do a mix of blues just to get a Bluebell shade, and then on the top I'm just going to put some cornflowers. I just want everything sort of like spring, fresh, anything that's not Christmas now, because I kind of get a bit sick of it. So I'm going to put my pinny on and we'll get started and we'll have a little chat. Okay, so I'm going to mix 2 blues. I've just found 2. I have got Cobalt Blue here. This one is by Mineral Makeup Ingredients, and then I've got You Make It Up Blueberry. I'm just going to mix these 2 and see if we can get like a nice sort of purplish blue. So I'm just going to put that into the base, and then I've got my fragrance ready here. Let me just put that on the back. Okay, so I've got my lye mixture. I'm just going to pop that in there. This is going to be a simple one because I'm just frightened that it's going to accelerate, and we can do without that. So let's just stick blend. Working with the water discount, so colour me stupid with the floral. We'll see. I'm just going to do the colour now because I think it's best, because it's only going to be one colour. We'll do it now. So there's about, I don't know, that's probably about 3 grams. See ya. 3 grams of cobalt and about same of blueberry. See what that does. Nice. So if that doesn't fade too much, that'll be really nice, I think. We'll just see. Yeah, that's nice. I've never had an oil by Candle Shack go wrong, so hopefully it won't. Okay, so I'm going to get my mould ready just in case we need to fly. And my spoon for my top. So let's get this fragrance in and pray. Look, that's like not accelerating at the moment. Okay, give it a second. Okay. It's thickening up a bit now, so I'm just going to pour it in. I want to keep that top bit just so I can get my top that I like to do. But yeah, Candle Shack's Bluebell does not accelerate soap. Well, at least not very quickly. It is thickening a little bit, but not like, you know, you could work with that and do a swirl if you used more water in it. So that's a good thing. I just want to get this edge on, and we'll bring it across the top and put the flowers on. It's really quiet for a Saturday up here today. I'm not open because I've got nothing to sell. I did a sale on Boxing Day that we always do every year just to get rid of the Christmas stock or any winter stock that I've got left, and there's still a few bits left, but like minimal. But I've got no soap, which is why I'm here today. Like, I'm not back actually officially at work until the 2nd of January, but you know what it is. I don't have any soap making stuff at home. If I did, I'd have been making like days ago, because I was getting withdrawal from soap making. And I got this box of new fragrances that came just after Christmas, I think I placed the order. So maybe like last week. And I got like, I don't know, 12 different new ones to try. And that was all from Candle Shack. So I'm going to be soaping most of those today. There's a couple I'm not doing. A couple that aren't Candle Shack, or that maybe they're at Candle Shack but they're not from my recent haul. So I'll bring you in so you can see this closer. God, it's going really dark. Okay, I'll get that round and hope to God that's okay to do. Yeah, that's perfect. Well, that's a good fragrance. So I still haven't got my studio lights. Every time I come to film, I'm like, why haven't I ordered them? It's like one of those things. I haven't ordered them, and I need to, because they're only about 40 quid to buy. So I need, and that's for 2. So I need to just get on it and get on Amazon and order the 2 lights. I'm going to do that today, so that next time I come to film, I'm not saying it's really dark. Been doing that for the last year. Okay, cornflowers. I'm just going to put them on this edge here. I wouldn't say this really smells too much like Bluebells, but it gives the idea. There's almost like a fruity edge to this scent. But in a candle, I think it'd be really nice. I mean, Candle Shack, I think, you know, they're predominantly, like, the fragrances are basically for candle making, but, you know, obviously they're fine for bath and body as well. We've got all the info we need. But yeah, I always think when I'm soaping with them, I think, yeah, that would make a really nice candle. So I think they make their fragrances with candles in mind, and that may be why so many of them are so nice, because who wants a horrible smelling candle? It's just some fragrance suppliers, there's so many fragrances and so many, like, I don't know, there's so many out there that are really naff. And when it comes to candle making, like Candle Shack don't stock like tons and tons and tons of different fragrances, but the ones they do stock of, like, I've never come across a bad one yet. There's not one that I've bought that I've thought that's horrible, like not one. And yet I've bought from so many other suppliers, I've got them, you know, expecting like so much, and I've got them and thought, ew, you know, like real generic, boring scents, when the descriptions have been really like built up and made you think, oh, that sounds really, really good, and then you get them and you're like, what? So I'm not going to mention any names, because that's not fair, because, like, you know, some suppliers, like, there's lots of suppliers who've like got certain ones that are so good, and then they've got certain ones that are so bad. So it's just across the board that seems to happen. But with Candle Shack, who are my favourite recent new supplier, yeah, I'm really, really chuffed to bits with what they stock. A really good company. Go follow them on Instagram. They've only got a few followers on there, but yeah, they're great. I really like them. So that's Bluebell, and I'll be back for the cut for that one tomorrow. Just going to find somewhere to put it. Over here. So I'll be back for the cut, and then we'll film the next one. Okay? See you in a bit.